So, alright, let's go to another places to visit in Buenos Aires, especially Palacio Barolo. I'm going there right now. It's 20 minutes by walking. So friends, so we came to park. So here's Plaza Mariano Moreno. It's the big park. Nice building and park is Spanish architecture, similar to Spanish architecture. Plaza de Congreso, it's a Congress center, I think. Came to Palacio Barolo. This one $80 visit. It's a historical in Buenos Aires. So these the main places to visit in Buenos Aires. Obelisco right now.
Buenas tardes a la noche. Wow.
Many people taking photos. It's very hot in Buenos Aires. Almost 28 or 26 degrees. So I'm going to end this video tour right now. I hope you like this video. See you soon. Vamos, Argentina.